Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial you will learn how to make an animated GIF in Photoshop CC. For this tutorial we're going to take a look at the timeline feature of Photoshop. First, let's understand what GIFs are. A frame-by-frame animation, unlike what you see in After Effects, which is more of a temporal animation that'll generate frames between different keyframes. The way Photoshop deals with GIF animation is by enabling or disabling layer visibility. We'll create 3 duplicates of our layer and give them a different hue saturation. This can be any other setting such as transform. It also can be a completely different layer such as a brush drawing or even a different photo layer altogether. Now go to Windows, Timeline. Click on the arrow and choose Create Frame Animation. Click it. In the bottom, you'll see one frame. Let's only leave the first layer enabled for this frame. Next, click the plus icon and enable the second layer, here disabling everything else. Create the third frame and do the same. You can always preview your progress by clicking the play button. That's it, a very straightforward way to create GIF animations. You can always dive into it even further with custom commands, tweening of frames, and so on. However, we do feel like those are a little more advanced techniques that require getting a good hang of GIF document creation altogether. How often do you stumble upon GIFs in your daily life? If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and make sure to press the bell button to be the first to know about our new videos.